This is the problem you can't see. This tiny, torn hose in your Roborock Q7 Max's water pump. This is why your mop is dry. But a dry mop is just the start of your problems. This tiny part is supposed to flush the mop with clean water, but when it fails, your advanced mopping system basically becomes a dirty cloth dragger. Ignoring it means you're just smearing dust around instead of cleaning it up. You're not getting the sparkling clean floors you paid for, and a dry mop certainly can't tackle sticky spills or bacteria. Before you attempt a risky DIY fix or give up hope, know that you've come to the right place. Here at RoboCare, we've got the fix. We don't guess, we diagnose. Using specialized equipment, we pinpoint the exact failure, whether it's a seized pump motor or a torn internal hose. We then perform a meticulous transplant, replacing the entire faulty pump assembly with a genuine component. We don't just fix the immediate issue, we future-proof the repair. Afterwards, every robot is professionally resealed and undergoes a rigorous wet test to guarantee flawless water flow and absolutely zero leaks. But talk is cheap. Don't just take our word for it. We'll show you the results. And after the RoboCare touch, the water pump is fully restored, delivering a deep, effective clean. That's the RoboCare difference. Is your robot vacuum giving you trouble? Don't replace it, repair it. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.